Components. This tutorial is dedicated to the managing of projects with components. You will discover how to create a new component and how to add default assignee for a component. You will also learn how components could be useful in JQL search in JIRA. Another way of organizing projects in JIRA is by using components. And components allow you to divide projects into separate parts. It could be different specializations, such as, for example, software or hardware, that allow you to split project into different sections. For example, it is very useful to use a project if you to use components if you have a projects where multiple teams are working on different subjects, such as, for example, software development, or hardware development, or marketing. In this case, what you need to do is just to create some components for your project to separate responsibilities. So in this case, we would create software component with lead, for example, Dan Brown, who could be the team lead of the software team. Here we could add some description, such as issues that have to do with software development. And another big advantage of using components is it allows you to set a separate assignee, such as, for example, component lead. So each time when you create an issue, for example, a story, and you choose software component, it will automatically select Dan Brown as a default assignee. And for example, if we create a hardware component with a lead, for example, Bob Dylan, issues that have to do with hardware, and we can select Bob Dylan as component assignee. So each time then when we create an issue, like for example a software issue with component software, and we create an issue here, so Dan Brown as a software team as lead will be selected as assignee. But when we create an issue, hardware, for instance, issue, and we choose component as a hardware and create, then in this case the Bob Dylan will be used as a default assignee. Moreover, it is also very useful in the situations when you want to find issues only from your area of responsibility, such as software. And it is very useful in the situations when you have thousands and thousands of issues and you are interested only in some particular kinds of issues. So you just write in JQL the component and use it.